HUAWEI 4 smartphone was launched in December 2018. The phone comes with a 6.40-inch touchscreen display with a resolution of 1080 pixels by 2310 pixels at a PPI of 398 pixels per inch. The phone packs 128 GB of internal storage that cannot be expanded. The HUAWEI Nova 4 is powered by 2.36 GHz octa-core processor and it comes with 8 GB of RAM. As far as the cameras are concerned, the HUAWEI Nova 4 packs a 48-megapixel f1.8 primary camera and a 16-megapixel f2.2 secondary camera on the rear and a 25-megapixel front shooter for selfies. The HUAWEI Nova 4 is powered by a 3750 mAh. The HUAWEI Nova 4 is a dual-SIM smartphone that accepts Nano SIM and Nano SIM. Connectivity options include Wi-Fi, GPS, Bluetooth, USB Type-C, 3G and 4G. Moreover, sensors on the phone include face unlock, fingerprint sensor, compass/magnetometer, proximity sensor, accelerometer, ambient light sensor and gyroscope. So guys, this is for today. Make sure to subscribe Tech360 and hit the bell icon so you never miss any update from it. Till that, goodbye.